Kia ora, TNW. How's it going? Yeah, it's a bit better. How are you? Hopefully you're well, not getting too bored and managing to keep yourselves occupied and still doing some good learning in the meantime. So in terms of social studies, I suppose things have been a little bit quiet in the last kind of week or so, just trying to get back some kind of rhythm and flow into what's going on and create a little bit more structure. So what I thought I'd do is give you a video for what's going to be happening this week. Hopefully then you feel like you've got a little bit more of a plan. At the moment, you'll find on Workspace, which should look something a little bit like this, you'll find there's slave or free. As you can see, 3 people already have had it marked and given feedback. 3 people have submitted it for me and 5 people have maybe started. I know that there's been some problems with Workspace and some of you may have been losing work. If that has happened, just go back through your previous versions. You will be able to find it again, and the people at Hapara assure me that that's no longer going to be a problem. So what is there? There's that slave or free. Please just remember as well when you do work on Workspace to submit it, and then I know that it's done and I'm then able to give you some feedback. Tomorrow I'm going to be posting a reading and some activities about the War of Independence, which was a war that was fought for America to become its own country and stop being a colony, which had pretty significant impacts for the lives of African Americans and slaves because of the different attitudes between the English and the Americans, especially in the South, towards African Americans and slaves. Then on Thursday, I'm going to be posting a lesson on the American Civil War, which was fought really basically on the entire issue of slavery. Should it exist or should it not? The two sides, the North and the South, and what they thought and what they were prepared to do to keep it happening or to stop it. As well as that, I'm going to have set up a couple of Zoom classrooms. One of them is going to be tomorrow from 12:30 till 1 o'clock. And it'll just be a Zoom meeting. I'll send you out an invitation and a password. And it'll just be really a chance for you to touch base, ask any questions, check in with your work, or even just hang with some of your classmates and have a bit of a catch up. I'll also do one on Friday morning from 9:30 till 10. Again, the same thing, just a chance to kind of check in and see how it's going. Okay, that's about it. All right then, I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow about 12:30. I'll put those times in emails as well, so you don't have to worry about writing this down. And all the best. Hope it goes well. See you soon.